Gardening in the hot desert sun using outdoor pots. Using do-it-yourself Olla pots and PVC pipes. Tips on potting up. From 5 to 15-gallon pots. We will use this orange tree. It has the old style Olla pot already. New Olla pot will be completely underground. First, remove the old Olla pot. You can see the roots near the hole after removing the old Olla pot. Place the plant in the new larger pot and fill with soil. Use a light-colored pot that is non-porous like the one in the example. Use mulch to keep the moisture in and the heat out. Place the pot where there is morning sun and afternoon shade. Water the plant using the Olla pot and around it until it is established. Fishing bobbers are great preventing things from falling in.